Hello, I want to talk to you a little bit about visual aids, seeing more clearly. Certainly as I've got older, I find it more and more difficult to see what I'm doing in detail. So I'd like to get, just share with you a few of the tips and things that I use. The first thing, very first important thing is lighting. You really need to have very good lighting on your carving. A lot of people carve with a light in the middle of the room and they're often in the way of the light. So I find these sort of adjustable lights, these angle poise type things, very useful. I have several around and I move them about so I can actually get more light onto the subject, onto what I'm looking at. So lighting is the very first thing to make sure you've got in order. The other thing about the lighting is it's very useful when you're looking at sharpening carving tools. I ask people to look for the white line on the end, and you need to get the light reflecting off it. So I find this sort of light quite useful for lining up this edge to look at. In addition, I have a good magnifying glass on the sharpening bench, so I'm actually able to really check between the light and my magnifying glass exactly where that spot is. I don't need to work on my slipstone. So good lighting, magnifying glass, good things to start with. I also find as I get older that my eyesight isn't so good. It's certainly not as good as it was when I was young. So I do need to magnify things up, especially for detail. So we're not talking about work out here, we're talking about when I'm up close looking for very small details in the carving. The first thing that I will use are these. I put it on this spare pair of glasses that you can see. It's a pair of magnifying glasses, and you can buy these online quite readily, different magnifications, and you can flip these out of the way. So I'm looking at the carving close up and I can flip it out of the way to stand back a bit. So that sort of thing is very useful. They just clip on your glasses like that, on your spectacles, and they can stay by the bench very readily. When it's getting to something a little bit more serious, I actually have a headset like this. Again, I'll put a note below this video on where I got this. But what this is a headset which has a series of lenses that are separate, different magnifications, and these lenses go into this little clip here underneath. I'll just pop that in like that. So again, I'm wearing this, looking a little bit dorky, but hopefully no one's looking, and I can flip this out of the way, even flip the whole headset up, and there's also a little light on the top. So I find this sort of thing really useful for detailed work. I don't wear it a lot, but just sometimes it's the sort of thing you really need to get in and be quite precise in what you're doing. So good lighting, a magnifying glass and magnifying lenses really help you see what you're doing more clearly.